As the world continues to recognize blockchain's revolutionary nature, one name frequently echoes alongside the giants. Algorand. Founded by esteemed computer scientist Silvio Macaulay, Algorand was conceived with a unique proposition, melding unparalleled security, true decentralization, and high scalability. This analysis delves deep into the core of Algorand's offering and its potential ramifications for the global financial tapestry. Origins and evolution. Algorand's inception in 2019 stemmed from Macaulay's profound understanding of cryptography. Aimed at solving the blockchain trilemma, the project embarked on an ambitious journey. Gary Huang, a blockchain historian, remarked, "While many networks have pledged solutions to the trilemma, Algorand's foundational architecture and its deliverables make it stand apart." From token sales to collaborations, Algorand's rapid trajectory has been punctuated by partnerships with financial institutions, governments, and innovative startups. Technical foundations. The pillars of Algorand. Pure proof-of-stake, PPoS. Traditional proof-of-stake systems often tend toward centralization. Algorand's iteration guarantees all token holders a voice in the network's direction, thus removing the oligarchic tendencies seen in many competitors. Alice Norton, a blockchain developer, noted, "PPoS is a reminder of what blockchain promised, true decentralization." With Algorand, this isn't a marketing tagline. It's an operational reality. Instant transaction finality. One of blockchain's prevalent issues has been the possibility of forks. Algorand eradicates this with instant finality, ensuring swift and reliable transactions. Atomic swaps. Beyond just financial transactions, the ability to exchange multiple assets seamlessly in one transaction amplifies Algorand's use case scenarios, especially in decentralized finance. Algorand in the financial theater. Central bank digital currencies. The Marshall Islands' adoption of Algorand for its CBDC wasn't a mere PR exercise. It underscored a deep trust in Algorand's technological fabric to underpin an entire nation's digital monetary system. DeFi Unleashed. Lower operational costs, rapid finality, and robust security make Algorand an attractive proposition for DeFi projects. As these platforms demand more scalability without compromising security, Algorand becomes even more pertinent. Financial strategist Ian McKenzie claims, "In Algorand, we might be glimpsing the future of finance, swift, secure, and inclusive." Its potential to redefine financial operations globally is immense. Controversies, challenges, and roadblocks. Every revolutionary path has its share of hurdles, and Algorand's has been no exception. Initial skepticism. New entrants in the cryptosphere are often viewed with caution. Algorand, too, had its critics, especially given its claims of resolving long-standing blockchain issues. Marketplace rivalry. With titans like Ethereum already established and newer entrants promising similar benefits, Algorand's journey is one of stiff competition. Token distribution debates. Algorand's early token sales methods were a topic of heated debate, emphasizing the challenges of equitably distributing a new cryptocurrency while ensuring project viability. Crypto journalist Hannah Marcus states, "Algorand's navigation through its challenges is a testament to its adaptability, a crucial trait for any blockchain aiming for longevity." Influence on the wider financial ecosystem. Beyond its core crypto audience, Algorand's ramifications for the broader financial landscape are significant. Trust, reimagined. Traditional financial systems operate on intermediated trust. Algorand's immutable ledger and consensus mechanisms propose a future where trust is algorithmic, potentially reducing systemic risks. Swift settlements. Global financial settlements often endure time-consuming processes. A system like Algorand could streamline this, leading to real-time global settlements. Diana Roberts, a fintech innovator, opines, "Algorand isn't just another blockchain. It's a potential bedrock for next-gen financial systems, more transparent, efficient, and inclusive. Looking ahead. Speculations and predictions. Algorand's future, while promising, is also rife with challenges and opportunities. Advanced smart contracts. As the cryptosphere matures, there's an escalating demand for intricate financial products and services. Algorand might further refine its smart contract capabilities to cater to this. Public infrastructure integration. Algorand's framework could be integrated into broader public systems, from healthcare to voting, ensuring transparency and efficiency. Crypto futurist Rajan Kapoor muses, while Algorand's present is noteworthy, its future could be historic. Its technology has the potential to permeate beyond finance, ensuring a transparent, efficient, public digital infrastructure. Conclusion. Algorand's emergence as a formidable force in the blockchain domain is no accident. Its blend of technical prowess, vision, and adaptability renders it a significant player in the ongoing blockchain chronicle. As this technology continues its inevitable march toward mainstream acceptance, platforms like Algorand will likely be at the vanguard, shaping the contours of a new digital epoch.